Hey, what's happening? I want to welcome you to the Facebook Friends Club where the money is in the list. I'm going to show you how to take your Facebook Friends list and turn that list into cash, into money coming into you every day. Now, let's be realistic. Everyone has a Facebook page, everybody that we know, right? So that means that mostly everybody has a Facebook Friends list. I'm going to show you how to turn that list into money. Now, first of all, let's be clear. This has never been done before, what I'm getting ready to show you. This is something, innovation, that me and my team came up with to help people on Facebook to make money a little bit more successfully. A lot of people struggle on Facebook, struggle online, but this is something that's going to help you to make money because guess what? You already have a friends list. We're going to show you how to use that list to get paid. Now, check this out. The Facebook Friends Club is about to change the way that we network and earn on Facebook by monetizing our Facebook friends list. What we've created is a fun and simple way to monetize your Facebook friends list by plugging it directly into a powerful income generating system. Imagine that. Some of us have 100, 200, 300, 500 friends. Imagine plugging those friends into an income generating system that pays you. Man, it's going to pay you. Now, everyone has Facebook, as I said earlier, right? That means that everyone has a Facebook friends list. It's time to turn that list into a powerful cash generating ATM. And that is why you're here, and that is what I'm about to show you. Our friends list is a gold mine. Remember that. Your friends list and my friends list is a gold mine. Many people on Facebook have 100, 500, 1,000. If you're like me, I have over 5,000 friends in my Facebook friends list. The problem is that most people, right, most of these people on these lists do not know that they are sitting on a gold mine. For us that have these Facebook friends list, guys, we are sitting on a gold mine. And I'm going to show you today how to turn that gold mine into profits for yourself. Let me explain this. Due to the recent global panic, right, the global pandemic, and its ongoing threat to the general public, everyone is struggling financially. We know that everybody is struggling right now financially. Jobs have been lost, leaving many people to set out on new ventures in order to generate money to support their families. We see that every day. There's more work at home businesses popping up every day than ever before, right? So where are these people at that I'm talking about that's looking for ways to make money? Guys, the people that I'm speaking about are sitting right now on Facebook, and many of these people are in your Facebook friends list, just like they're in mine. Wow. What you don't know is this, though. That Facebook friends list is a gold mine if you know how to use it. That is what I'm going to show you today, how to use that list to change your financial situation for life. What we've created is a way for you to monetize your Facebook friends list and earn $25, $50, or even $100 multiple times per day by simply monetizing that friends list. You can generate an income, guys, where you could walk away from that dead-end 9-to-5 job, create a lifestyle for yourself, start taking trips, doing everything that it is you want to do in life, pretty much living out your dreams. You're going to do that by monetizing that Facebook friends list. Right, check it out. Monetize your friends list can explode your income. Monetizing your friends list can simply explode your income. Let's keep it real. Now, although there are many people on Facebook, we know that, and many people have a Facebook friends list, this opportunity to make hundreds or even $1,000s per day just won't interest everybody, right? This is only, and I mean only, for those that understand that the power is in the list. Others will continue on struggling to become financially successful when true wealth is clearly right in front of their eyes. Guys, it's right in front of their eyes. It's right there dead in their face. You have a Facebook friends list that you could be using to generate wealth. And with us showing you how to do it, there's absolutely no excuse for you not to jump in here and start making money today. So do not be discouraged or disappointed for 1 minute by those people that say that they are not interested. You know how people are, oh no, I don't want to do anything. But you're asking for information. You want information on how to do it, then you turn around and say you're not interested. The truth of the matter is this. You do not need a lot of people to create a powerful income stream using our proven system. Don't even worry about it. You work with those that's willing to work with you. The smart people will jump right in while the other ones will procrastinate, make up excuses, and go on to be financially devastated, be broke, right? So you're only looking for those like-minded people that's just like you that see this as a new opportunity, something brand new where you could generate wealth. So don't worry about those that say they're not interested. You just keep on going, creating wealth for yourself. How does it work? Monetizing your Facebook friends list is super simple. What makes this almost effortless on your part is this. The people are already sitting there. Wow. The people are already sitting in your list waiting on something to come that's going to help them to become financially successful. The only thing that you have to do is get them activated. To monetize your friends list, you only need a few simple components, and here they are, right? An inexpensive system, easy to plug into, which produces income. Right? A pre-written invitation to your friends to join. We're going to provide you with that, so you don't have to worry about making up anything. We're going to give you that along with banner ads and everything else. The next thing you need is a Facebook group and chat for us to network in and talk to each other and get, dates and times of our webinars and stuff. You need that. We're going to provide that for you, right? And the last thing that you need, friends that are in need of income. How many of you guys already know where they are? Everyone have friends on their Facebook page that's in need of income. The only thing you have to do is wave that banner in front of them and that flag saying, come on over here, I'm going to show you how to make money. And guess what? Here they come, right? That's it. That's all you need of these 4 components, which we're providing you with so that you can become financially successful. Wow. Now, Facebook Friends Club income generators. These are our income generators which are going to help you to make money. The Facebook Friend Club have 3 scalable monetization levels, 25, 50, and of course our big boy 100. Each member of the club starts at the 25 silver level. Of course, you don't want to leave any money on the table. So each member starts at the $25 silver membership level. A member can then scale up to the higher membership packages from pure profit. What that means is this: you come in for 25, bring in your first person, right, from your friends list that's already sitting there waiting to make money. You get your 25 back. From there, everything else is profit. You use those profits to scale up to the next 2 higher levels and make money from those as well. So we have our silver membership where you earn $25 per person. We have our gold membership where you earn $50 per person. We have our platinum membership, of course, where you earn $100 per person. As you scale up to these different levels, the lower levels are still making you money, because when you bring in a new member, they're going to join at 25. So that's still running. You're getting that. When that member upgrades to the 50, man, you're getting the $50 plus the 25 still open for future members to come in. Then from there to the $100 level, which are going to be the people coming from the 50. So guys, imagine that, man. This thing is scalable. You're going to make your money. You're going to change your financial situation by doing absolutely no work at all. Just simply talking to people, getting them this video. This video is going to be available to everyone. Send them this video out. This video will explain as I am doing to you right now. And you can't say do it work, because of the simple fact you're here. This is proof that this does work, right? Because you're here listening, so that means that you can make an executive decision over your life, whether you want to change it financially by joining with us over here at this club. Now, let's take a look at our membership packages again. We've made available to our members 3 powerful membership packages, right? We have the 25 silver package, 50 gold, and the $100 premium platinum package. Each of the 3 packages contain award-winning marketing trainings which are available to our members in the form of digital downloads. And when somebody say, well, is there a product? Yes, we have great products and great services available to all of our members to help them to become financially successful, okay? Now, what you want to do is this: scale your way to the top. Join over here, $25 one time out of pocket, and scale your way up to the top by introducing this to those great Facebook friends that you have in your Facebook friends list. To help each of our members to succeed, our platform is 100% scalable. What this means is that a new member can start with a small one-time investment of $25 and move into the higher levels from pure profit. By using this method, everyone can move their way to the top of their earning potential in a short amount of time. Now, let's take a look at an earning chart to give you a little bit of an idea how simple this is, but how much money you can make doing this, guys. Yeah, simple yet powerful. Let's take a look at this. Moving from the left to the right, I want to give you our categories so you'll understand better how we're doing it. We have right here our membership packages. M packages mean membership packages. We have the silver at 25, gold at 50, and the big boy premium platinum at 100. Over here it says number of friends. Now, we understand that you have hundreds or even thousands of Facebook friends, but for illustration purposes only, we're only going to look at 10. We're going to use 10 for illustration purposes only. You can definitely bring in more, and I'm sure that you will. Over here we have the income based upon when they come in at that $25 times that amount of people. We have the scale up upgrades, right? This means going to your next level, and of course your next level. Then we have the bankable income. This is your area. You want to keep your eye on this because this is the money that you keep, the money that's yours to spend, do with as you will. Moving from the left to the right, let's get started. Let's assume that you've already sent $25 to that great friend that's over here with us already, that's bringing you in, that's introducing you to this great opportunity. You send them $25, right? Then what you want to do is you want to start sharing this. Just find 10 friends and send them that invite that we gave you, right? Let's say those 10 friends say, yeah, it looked like a great opportunity and join. So now those 10 friends are going to send you $25 directly to your back office, to your system, to the payment processors that you have set up to get paid with. We're using Cash App, PayPal, Google Cash, whatever. All of the stuff is back there, guys, for you to make your money right there. You set them up the way you want them, and these friends are going to send the money directly to you. So let's just say the 10 send you 25. That multiplication will give us $250. From that, you're going to upgrade into your gold level for 50 of the 250, banking 200. You're already in the green, man, from a $25 investment. Let's say that your members duplicate your efforts, because duplication is the key, and they share with their members and they upgrade to the $50 to you. $50 times those 10 friends equal 500. From the 500, guys, it's amazing. From the 500, you're going to upgrade it to your final level, which is that premium platinum 400, banking 400. Wow, you're already 600 up, guys. You have done no work at all except invite great people just like yourself to come on and join this club. Now, when your 10 members duplicate that effort going into the $100 level, same 10, right? You haven't ran out and got another 10 yet, same 10. That's $1,000. From the $1,000, oh wait, there's no upgrade. That's because now you own all 3 levels. That means that $1,000 moves into your green. Let's look at your stats. Okay, now at this particular time, your one-time investment was 25. You shared this with 10 friends, right? You are now in possession of the silver, gold, and the platinum, right? You scaled your way up from the 25. Your income and commissions, 1,600. You made 1,600 from a $25 investment in probably less than a few days. Income potential working with us is unlimited, because the simple fact, you have all of those Facebook friends over there, guys. This thing is unlimited. Let's look at chart number 2. Let's say that you go a little hard on this, guys, because let's remember now, I don't believe there's nobody on Facebook that only have 100 friends. That's just me, right? But we're going to look at this, guys. Let's just say, for instance, 100 members join at $25. That's $2,500, right? From that $2,500, you're going to upgrade into the 50, leaving $2,450 for yourself. When your members duplicate that effort going into that $50 level, time those 100 great people, guys, that is $5 grand. Oh my God. From the $5 grand, you upgrade for 100, leaving 4,900. When you duplicate that and go into the premium platinum and the 100 follow you, that is $10,000. 10,000, guys. Just from 100 friends, guys. How many friends you got on Facebook? I told you, I have over 5,000. So, $10,000 made, nothing else coming out because you own all 3 levels. 10,000 falls into your green. Let's look at the stats. Stats are amazing now. A one-time $25 investment. Number of friends you shared it with is 100. Membership packages now that you own, silver, gold, and platinum. Income commission, $17,350, guys. Oh my God. Income potential is what? Unlimited. That means that you are on your way to financial freedom by simply plugging into our club, joining our Facebook group and our chat, sharing it with other great people just like yourself, and getting paid every day. This thing is amazing, guys. This friends club is getting ready to blow up on Facebook. So you do know that on this friends list, a lot of us are friends with the same people. So you want to hurry up and get in here and start sending those invites out before somebody else be to grab that person. You want to get in here, get to work sending those. I'm telling you, this is not a game. This is not a joke. This is real money that's going to be coming to you. So you can procrastinate and sit there and say, oh, well, okay, let $25, right, and something new and innovative stop you from moving ahead, changing your financial situation. That will be the worst mistake of your life. This is something that we've just created. It's brand new. It has not even been out no time. If you're looking at this, today is the 29th, right, of August. Today is the day that we're launching it. So if you're looking at this video days down or months down the line, hey, I'm telling you, this thing is amazing. This is something that's going to change your life. So right now, get back to the person that introduced you to us, and I'll see you on the inside of the Facebook Friends Club.